us. It's the African Games Accra 2023. It's the host nation Ghana versus Gambia. It promises to be a very cagey and an uncompromising fixture, and we welcome the two teams onto the pitch here in the Ghanaian capital this evening. The Ghanaians wearing all white jerseys and the Gambians in their red tops over blue shorts here in Accra. We already have one team qualifying for the semi-finals of this competition. That's the Ugandan side. Ghana or Gambia could join them into the semis, and that will be dependent on the outcome of this game. A win for any of the two sides, they could potentially go through. The national anthem of Gambia now.